Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using many different languages, and I hope you understand that. Like we have started the new Android tutorial, and I hope you are enjoying that all videos of Android tutorial series which we have just covered up yet. So today we are now just doing the Java video because like you all know that one day I upload Android video and one day I upload Java video. So today we'll be just doing the Java video here, and today we'll be just building an amazing project using Java word beater. I will be telling you that how we can build this amazing word beater using Java and what are the things important in this project here which we are building through Java. So if you understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using Java and many different languages. And you can also suggest me like what projects I should build using many different languages, so I'll be also bringing that, and I hope that will be also really helpful for you. So now we'll be starting with our today's project, and basically we'll be seeing that how we are just building this amazing word beater project using Java, and what are the things we will be using in this project to build this project from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, today we'll be just building an amazing project of word beater. So just now we'll be starting with our project, and basically we'll be seeing that how we are building this amazing word beater project using Java. So for building this, here I will be making new window. After making new window, here I have just by mistake make the new file. So here I'm just now making the new window. I will be closing my previous window which I have opened here. So I will be now removing these two windows which I am having. So you can see now I've removed two windows and I'm having this one. So I will be now opening my folder here, which is on desktop. You can see there it is, my folder word beater in Java. So I will be now pressing select folder to open this. After opening this folder, you will be getting all these files. So I will be now just doing one thing. I will be erasing codes from this file only. So I will be moving down. Then you have to erase these all things. You can see I've erased all the stuff which I want to remove. Then I will be moving in the title, and I will be changing the title here because we are just building a word beater. Title was correct, but I will be writing here word beater in. Then I will be writing here Java, or you can write using Java or with Java. What you have to write, you can write here. Then move to this styling file. You can see these are the styling codes which we are getting in that. So I will be removing this stuff as well. Then move to JS file. This is the JS code which we are getting in this file here. So we will be moving forward after this things here. So I will be pressing Ctrl B to close side panel. Then I will be opening this file in my default desktop. So you can see here is my file. This is my you can say folder, and this is my file. So I will be directly pressing this right click, and then I will be pressing open to open this file. After open this, I will be doing it side by side here like this, because my coding side should be at the left, and at the right I will be getting my interface side. So I will be now just doing it like this. You can see now we have just done that all stuff. So after doing these all things here, you have to do one thing. You have to start the things from the body. So this color has been changed because of this thing which I have written BG dark text white. You can also write this to change the text color and to change the background color of your body. Then after doing this, here you have to just move down after this tag. You can see here we have just written these all this stuff. After writing this thing here, you have to now just make the header tag from the start here. So we will be now just creating a header tag here. After creating header tag, you have to write here BG secondary like this. So I will be now writing here BG secondary. Then you have to write here text center, and then write here P3 like this, and write here MB5. After writing, you have to move down, write here the heading word beater, and then you have to now just move down here and then write here div class, which should be container, and write here text center. Then you have to just move down here after this, write here p tag style, and in style I will be writing here font size, which should be 30 pixel. Then you have to just now move in the center, write here choose difficulty. So here I will be now writing this. After writing this thing, you have to now write here div class, and in div class I will be now writing here lab. Then you have to write here button and write here id, which should be easy, and here you have to now write here this time btn primary. So I will be now writing this. Then you have to write here easy like this, the button name. Then move forward after this, write another button, and then you have to write a id here, which should be medium. After writing this, here you have to now write here class btn primary. Then you have to now just do one thing. Here you have to now write here medium like this. Then you have to just move forward and write here button. So here I will be writing id hard this time, and then you have to write here class btn primary. Then in the center you have to write here hard. After writing, you have to move under this div here, and then I will be creating a div class again, which should be row. Then you have to write here div class, and then I will be writing here call md6. So I will be writing here. Then after writing this, you have to write here mx auto. Then you have to move down here after this, write here p tag class lead like this. So I will be now writing here lead. After writing this, you have to move in this and right here type the given word. So here I will be now writing type the given word within. Then here you have to just do one thing. You have to move down. Right here is spend tag, write class. Then I will be now writing text success, and here you have to write ID seconds. After writing this, you have to now just write here 5. Then after moving after this span, you have to write here seconds. Then you have to now just close this p tag from here like this. After closing this p tag, you have to now just do one thing. You have to create h2 tag, give here the class display2. Then I will be now writing mb5. After writing this, you have to write here id current. Then I will be now writing here word, and here you have to write hello like this. Then after writing this, you have to move down, write here input type text, then write here class form control. Then I will be now just writing here form like this, and then I will be writing control LG, right here placeholder, and in this placeholder I will be writing start typing like this. Then you have to write 3 dots, and then I will be now writing here ID, which should be word input. Then you have to write here auto focus. Then when you've written this, just you have to move down, right here h4, then give it the class mt3. After writing mt3, you have to write here ID message, save it, then you have to reload. You can see now we are getting all these things here. After getting these things here, you have to now just move down, right here div class, and right here row mt5. Then you have to move down, right here div class, and here I will be now writing call mt6. Then you have to move down, right here h3, and right here time left like this. And after writing this, you have to move down, right here spend tag class, right here time, then I will be writing here 0. Then you have to now write here div class like this, right here call md, and then I will be now writing here 6. Then you have to write here h3, and here I will be now writing a score. Then you have to write here span class, or you can say span id, and write here score in the column. Then you have to move here and then write here score 0. After writing this thing, just you have to move after this 2 divs, write here another class which should be row mt5 this time. Then you have to now write here div class like this, and here I will be writing call md12. Then you have to move down, right here div class, and here I will be writing card. Then I will be writing here body bg secondary like this, and here you have to now write here text white. Then you have to now move down, right here h5, and write here instructions like this. Then you have to now just move down after this, right here p tag, and write type each word in the. Then I will be now writing here given amount of seconds. So here I will be now writing here to score, and here you have to now write to play again. So here I will be now writing this, right, just type the current. Then I will be now writing here word. When you've written this, just you have to now write here your score like this, and then you have to now write here will reset. And then when you've written this, just you have to make this p tag at the back like this. Now we can see we have just written this all stuff. After moving all the divs down, you have to write here a script tag. In source, I will be writing js/app.js, which is our JS file name. Save and reload. You can see now we are getting all these things here. And then after getting this here, you have to just do one thing. I will be moving to this style file to make the styling things here. So after creating this, just you have to now write this id left like this. Then you have to now just make this tag right here text align, which should be center. And after writing this, just you have to write here margin top, which should be minus 50 pixel. Then you have to write here level like this. Then you have to now write here color caded blue. Then I will be now just writing here margin bottom, which should be 1 pixel. So I will be now writing here. Then I will be writing here margin left, which should be like 300 pixel. Then you have to just write here level. Then I will be now writing here B. Here you have to write padding, which should be 13 pixel. Write here margin 15 pixel, and then write here 15 pixel, 15 pixel, and then again. Here you have to write form tag, write margin right, which should be auto, and then you have to write here margin left, which should be auto. Then you have to just move down, right here p tag, write text align, which should be center, and then you have to now write here time tag like this. So here I will be now writing this time tag. Then you have to write here margin top, which should be 20 pixel, and write here text align. And after writing this text align, you have to write here center. Then you have to just move down, right here message tag here. So I will be now writing here dot message, and then you have to now just write here text align, which should be center. After writing this, you have to now just do one thing here. You have to now just do like you have to save it here directly. You can see we have just saved this file here. After saving, you have to reload. After reloading, if I show you, you can see we are getting this runaway here. Means this is the different things which I am getting. Now if I just reload, you can see different. Again we are just getting different letter here. Now if I just write here, it is given the time. Means you have to beat the count here and you have to write this word. So here I will be now writing the word here. So I will be now moving, and here I will be writing orange ds like this. So here you can see now I have just beat the time, and you can see you can choose the word here. So you can see I have just choose the easy one. So I will be now writing here horrendous like this. And then if I just write here, you can see now it is saying correct. Then I will be writing here generate, and you can see run away like this. I'm just writing here. You can see new letter is coming again and again when I'm writing this. You can see like this. So here I will be now writing here. Then you have to write here master, then write here statue like this, pistach like this. You can see I'm just writing the word again and again. You can see this. You can also read the instruction here if you want to read directly from here. Then if I'm writing laughter, you can see like this. Again same word is here, so I will be writing same word. So I've just written these. You can see it is showing me my score, which is 70. So like this here we can just build this project. I hope you understand how we can build this amazing word beater in Java. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing project using Java and many other languages, because I'll be bringing up more videos like that, and I hope that will be helpful for you. So just we'll be meeting in next project, and I will be meeting with you with the next project with more amazing and more helpful things. So for today, goodbye.